Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the shop. Last video, got the engine transmission transfer case in. Got that all secured. Only had a chance to work on it a little bit yesterday, and all I did was tightened up the motor mounts, the transmission mount. I actually torqued the output shaft yokes for the transfer case. Nothing spectacular. Today, take the oil pan off of the transmission and the motor. Hopefully I got new gaskets and filters for the transmission, new oil pan gasket, and crankshaft seal for the motor. That's today's goal. Let's get to work. Took the drain plug out yesterday, let it drain. Hopefully won't have any surprises. Oh, well, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. A little messier than I thought it was going to be. And the silicone. While the transmission oil pan is soaking in some cleaner, start with the motor oil pan. I always leave one that's like that, that's easy to get to. So when you take off your last one, they're easy to get to. Sit there a minute and everything drip in it. Well, got lucky. The gasket for the transmission hand works. Got the not really a fan of that. Oh, that's better. That's much better. Yeah. Look up the torque specs on those. What I did see, somebody has messed up a lot of threads. There's helicoils in. Ooh, that one, that one, that one, that one. Man, somebody ruined a bunch of threads. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do about those. I saw that while I was cleaning it off. But in the meantime, look up the torque specs on that. Torque down the torque converter. Take the old pickup tube off so I can pull this rear cap off to get that rear seal. Well, should have grabbed something to spin the motor over. One more. Hopefully this thing won't dump oil out all over my head. Alright, now I'll remove this rear cap. See if we can get a seal out of there. The bearings don't look bad, do they? Well, I got the seal started. Basically, I just took a little punch, put it on the edge of the seal, and tapped it to get it moving. It's now coming out the other side. All right, got the seal greased up. It says outside on one side. Wish me luck. I've never done one like this before. There we go. I'm just trying to work it around. Well, it's in there. See what happens. Got this one installed. Some lube on it. Bearing back in. Well, there we go. Let's see what the torque specs are. Alright, so the inner bolts are 118. The outer ones are 107. There we go. All right. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all these bolts that are messed up. That's not gonna be fun. Ugh. So I think I figured out what happened. Someone torqued those probably the same as those. And the problem is, that's aluminum. So they put helicoils in them, and two of them came out. Part of one was still in there, and it just wasn't going too good. So what I've done, I ran the drill through it up the size of these bolts to 5/16, and the drill bit barely took any metal off. So these things are really cut out. So all I'm doing, I'm gonna tap these out 5/16 and just put bigger bolts in them. Only thing, they can't be too long because they'll hit the dampener. So I think I got it. The two back here, I think will be fine. I ran the bolts back up in it and they did well. So hopefully this will all work out. Remember when I said take these things off and hopefully won't have any surprises? Well, surprise. Alright, y'all get the gist. I'm gonna get the next one, get this gasket surface cleaned up, oil pan's painted. I'll get back with you when we're ready to put it back together. I have a light in your face. Looks like everything's still in place. I messed up my paint job. Got to do a little repair. All right, so we're going to 14 Newton meters. Except for the two rear, they're larger, they're 27. Knowing some of these have been messed up before, it's kind of nerve-wracking doing this. Yep, there we go. There we go. All right. Let's see if I can clean this up a little bit. Got the fuel pump ready to go back in. Got all the bolts tightened down for the oil pan. Put a little bit of lube on the... There's a shaft that goes up into the block. And you have to make sure that's pushed back up in there before the fuel pump will go in right. I'm just buttoning up a few of these little things. So this is interesting. This was capped off. I'm assuming it goes there. I wonder why they did that. There we go. How about that? A little bit of lube. How about that? Make sure it's not touching anything. Nope. All right. I've got a rolly cart. Why not use it? I got the CDR valve. Do I have it on right? Yeah. Yeah, that worked. Well, I love to stay and play, but it's time to clean up and go to the house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.